Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into Google and enabling location so Maps remembers your preferences. This speeds everything up. Next, enter your main destination and set dates because timings affect transit and availability. Create a named list or label for the trip to keep places organized. You'll add stops as you go. Once done, pin your lodging first so routing centers around where you'll sleep, which makes subsequent planning more realistic and efficient. Now you add specific stops, attractions, restaurants, and transit hubs, saving them to your trip list so they're easy to access. Compare driving, transit, and walking options because travel modes change timing and cost. Maps shows durations and alternate routes. Drag waypoints to rearrange the itinerary and watch total trip time update. Make sure to zoom into Street View for tricky intersections and check live traffic or transit delays so your daily schedule stays realistic and grounded. Finish by sharing your trip list with companions and exporting directions to your phone. Enable offline maps for areas with poor service. Confirm opening hours, reservations, and transit alerts to avoid surprises. Once scheduled, set reminders for bookings and check alternate routes for key travel windows. If a route won't load or times are wrong, clear the app cache, toggle location, or reselect start and end points. That usually fixes sync or routing hiccups and gets your plan back on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.